Hello, namaste, sasrikal, wanakkam, and a very good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Corporate Serve, I welcome all of you to this webinar, PharmaSoft 2.0, the digital transformation of a healthcare enterprise. Well, I am your host, MC Dharna, and I would like to extend a very warm welcome to each of you present out here, each one of you who has joined us today for this webinar because we are looking forward to an hour of engagement and exciting discussion with our speakers. Well, the healthcare, diagnostics, and the scientific instrument industry has witnessed substantial advancements in recent years, largely thanks to innovations in software and technology. PharmaSoft is at the forefront of this transformation, and this virtual event will provide a comprehensive overview of how PharmaSoft is reshaping the industry. This is a perfect platform to learn about the digital transformation in healthcare with innovations in managing specific supply chain and financial business needs.
SAP, ERP. Systems are one of the most used systems globally. It comes in handy with different modules tightly integrated with standard functionalities and transactions to capture extensive details of a business.
The application system is all about master data, some transactions, and the reporting requirements of the business. SAP offers an excellent platform for capturing business requirements and running operations smoothly. Its modules remains seamlessly connected with each other and help in running business efficiently. SAP offers hundreds of functionalities and controls that can be activated as per the business requirements.
Although standard transactions can be used for executing a specific task, the challenge arises when screens are customized to meet the business logic.
It's very important to brainstorm while the system is configured. We should keep the SAP system simple and customization free as far as possible. One should adopt standard SAP practices in order to reduce errors. This helps during the system upgrade.
Organizations must remember a few basic points while starting SAP implementation.
It is critical to map all the functionalities and then identify all business processes which are required to be mapped in the SAP environment. What we need to understand is the impact of change in different modules and design of the processes that should appear in the SAP environment.
The most important part of any ERP implementation is understanding every business flow running in the organization. All business processes should be mapped and documented for better understanding without a miss to any business flow. This activity is essential irrespective of implementing SAP or any other ERP software available on the market.
It's a very helpful exercise and it saves a lot of time during the project and meeting the timelines for SAP Go Live. Once you know all the business processes, you can easily decide scope and modules to be implemented. This exercise helps in identifying the integration requirements. If you forget to include even a single business process in the scope, it may halt the business process even after a successful go live. It may also lead to the project creep and additional budget.
Dalvir and his team have earned a lot of experience related to SAP at QSUM and delivered various business objectives by automating processes.
Hello everyone. Thank you for joining this webinar on PharmaSoft 2.0. Myself, Pratik Lodoya, working as a Senior Sales Manager in Corporate Solutions Private Limited. I'm here to brief you about my company and our product PharmaSoft 2.0, which is capable of handling all requirements specific to pharmaceutical and chemical industry developed by our team on Rise with SAP S4HANA platform. Here is a brief introduction to our company. Corporate was formed in the year 2004. This is our 20th year in business, and we are the only into the ERP business. We are one of the largest SAP service provider in North India, based in Gurgaon. Corporate is led by Mr. Vinay Vora, who has 30 plus years of experience in related fields. Are in managing various elements of crop sciences businesses. Corporate has 265 plus employees and has 350 plus customers. The corporate team follows SAP Activate methodology. Corporate is an authorized board partner for SAP licensing and implementation. The company has a head office in Gurgaon, Haryana. We have won the SAP ACE Award 2022 for Best Manufacturing Transformation with SAP S4HANA for our customer, that is Glue Hand India Private Limited. Corporate has a strong skilled team with experience in different modules of SAP like SAP S4HANA Finance, Sales, Services, Service and Procurement, which is earlier known as Material Management, Supply Chain, that is Warehouse Management, R&D and Engineering, which was earlier known as Project System, Manufacturing, that include your Quality Management also, Asset Management, which was earlier known as Plant Maintenance. We also have an experienced team for other SAP products like SAP SuccessFactors, that is complete HR and payroll solution from hiring to retiring. SAP Sales and Services, that is SAP Customer Experience. SAP Analytic Cloud, that is SAC, and Document Management System. We also have a strong team of SAP Basis Consultant, ABAP Consultants, Fiori Consultant, and SAP BTP, that is Business Technology Platform. Corporate has different solutions from different industry verticals, which are certified by SAP. First one is PharmaSoft 2.0. Corporate has developed this vertical on SAP S4HANA to cater to the specific need of pharma and chemical industry. This is certified by SAP as an SAP S4HANA partner package solution. This is an excellent solution for the pharmaceutical, life sciences, chemical, food and beverages industries, the detail of which we are going to present in the upcoming slides. The second solution is MetalSoft. Corporate has developed this vertical on SAP S4HANA to cater the specific need of the metal, steel, and auto component companies. This is also certified by SAP as a qualified partner package solution. The third one is CS Campus Management. This is the solution for university and is a complete campus management solution which covers the complete student life cycle in a university from pre-admission until placement. This is a certificate provided by SAP to confirm that corporate solution is a gold partner and authorized to sell their different products like SAP S4HANA Private Cloud and Public Cloud, SAP SuccessFactors, SAP Sales and Services, and SAP Analytic Cloud. Please find here the certificate provided by SAP for PharmaSoft 2.0 as an SAP Qualified Partner Package Solution. And here is the certificate provided by SAP for MetalSoft as an SAP Qualified Partner Package Solution for metal and soft steel industry. About RISE with SAP S4HANA and certified solution from that is PharmaSoft 2.0. So let's talk about what is SAP, about RISE with SAP S4HANA and SAP certified solution, that is 2.0. Now let's talk about what is RISE with SAP. RISE with SAP is a complete offering of cloud solutions, infrastructure, and services that helps implement SAP ERP and empower customer to thrive in the cloud. Now in cloud ERP, What is Cloud ERP? Though SAP S/4HANA Private Cloud Edition, you gain a trailer to fit Cloud ERP that adapt to your organization's unique transformation journey and drives productivity across line of business. It is a modern and modular cloud-based ERP. The benefit from rich embedded business processes available on this device include central procurement, transportation management, extended warehouse management, customer management, production planning, and detailed scheduling. Now, within Cloud ERP, there is other components also engaged, like business process automation. That is, understand, proactively manage, and optimize your business processes to achieve the agility for successful change as you take the next step in your Rise with SAP journey. Advanced finance management helps connect finance, manufacturing, operations, and supplier into a single modern cloud platform. It helps equip your finance and CFO with advanced capability, including group reporting, cash and receivable management, supplier collaborations, and advanced finance planning. The next is supplier planning. It extends the value of RISE with SAP by natively integrating with the supplier network. It increases procurement and invoice efficiency and compliance. It helps in automate and standardize workflow to boost process efficiencies for both buyer and supplier, collaborate with supplier through a centralized platform and real-time order and invoicing visibility, increase spend compliance by applying configurable business rule and network validity capabilities. Align with suppliers across multiple tiers to drive sustainability initiative with great transparency. It helps in across a global network of supplier and buyer to connect, transact, and diversify your supplier base. SAP S/4HANA Cloud comes with a digital core with the following modules, like which we already discussed in the previous slide, like asset management, finance, manufacturing, R&D and engineering, sales, service, sourcing and procurement, and supply chain. Digital core come with the following modules, which we already discussed in our previous slide. That is asset management, finance, manufacturing with quality, R&D and engineering, sales, service, sourcing and procurement, and supply chain. In SAP, we follow SAP Activate methodology, which has come up with the different phases to implement SAP application. First phase is discovery phase, then preparation phase. The third phase is explore, in which we do the business blueprint, that is the study of your existing solution as is and to be. Then realization phase, in which we do baseline configuration of SAP application and advanced configuration. Then the fifth phase is deploy phase, where we do all the master data into system. And the last stage is run, that is the go live of SAP. PharmaSoft 2.0, that is Rise with SAP S/4HANA. After intense research, corporates have developed specific functionality for pharma and life science company. It's built on Rise with SAP S/4HANA Cloud. It's Fiori enabled and certified by SAP, as mentioned earlier. It's come up with the few features related to pharma company, that is SA and LODS management, pharma specific material planning availability during batch determination of active raw material after considering SA and LOD. The second feature is expedient material management. It's compensation of expedient material while material quantity issuance planning for batch production. The third feature is date management. It controls of SAP retest dates, best before dates and expiry date while determining raw material batches for bulk production issuance. Loan license management in production is used in production planning, quality management, and material management. Auto analytical report. Auto analytical report number generation at the time of MIGO of material batch. Drug licensing number tracking for customer and vendor. BMR is your batch manufacturing code and BPR is your batch packing record that we also capture in this vertical. which I'll go and explain in upcoming slide. Rise with SAP S4 HANA plus PharmaSoft 2.0. PharmaSoft 2.0 comes with features like assay and LOD management, expedient material management, date management, loan licensing management, auto analytical report, that is number generation at the time of MIGO of material batch, DL number, that is drug licensing number, tracking for customer and vendors, BMR and BPR related reports, and computer system validation, that is software validation starting from risk gap assessment till summary report that complies to GMP regulatory requirement. The objective of SAP S/4HANA is with PharmaSoft 2.0 is integrate all departments despite manual operated spreadsheet based system online, expand capacity to accommodate a fast growing company, standardize and streamline business processes, time critical decision making possible. The key challenges are batch price based invoicing, hybrid manufacturing strategy for loan licensing, FDA GMP compliance control, inaccurate in cash flow, accuracy in production batch quantity, delay in book closure, manual reconciliations, batch traceability, quality assurance and development, and secondary sales. That is the key challenges any company can be faced while using any ERP. The benefit of implementing PharmaSoft with Rise with SAP S/4HANA, agile pricing engine, electronic report of batches, increased accuracy, smooth dispatches, elimination in procurement delays, eliminate manual inputs, streamlined strategies, efficient production flow, and simplified processes. Partner differentiator, how it differentiates us as a company to any pharma company, that is unite conversation by batch according to the actual batch assay potency and LOD, production requirement calculation on the basis of component claim factor and average percentage, pricing engine to support different distribution channel sales including batch based pricing. Here are some of the supporting documents related to BMR. The first one is SAP Batch Master Records. Here are some of the supporting documents related to BMR. First one is raw material sample request. Once you implement SAP, this is how you will get the reports and supporting documents related to raw material worksheet, raw material issuance slip. This is how SAP generate issuance slip for raw material from SAP. Material issuance tag of dispensing. Semi-finished goods sample request. Semi-finished goods certificate of analysis. This is the certificate of analysis being generated from SAP system. Raw material additional issuance slip. Raw material approved label. These are the labels are generated from SAP system, which you can tag to your batches. Raw material under test labels. Reject labels. And quarantine labels. All these labels are generated from SAP and you can use it during your production of BMR. Similarly, we have some of the supporting documents related to BPR. The first one is PM approved label. That is your packaging material approved label. Then PM rejected labels. PM issuance slip. Packaging material additional issuance slip. This is also being generated from SAP system automatically. Finished goods sample request. Packaging slip. Packaging material issue tag. All these supporting documents related to BMR and BAPR is generated from SAP with the help of PharmaSoft 2.0. Our SAP customer success stories. Here are some of the customer success stories are mentioned on this slide related to metal and steel and dairy industry, consumer good industry, and pharmaceutical industry. In pharmaceutical, you can see Health Biotech Limited is our customer, Sinochem, Pharmaceutical, Psychotropic India, and many more, all industries, starting from Chaudhary Group, that is CG Food India Private Limited, Sinochem Pharmaceuticals, Psychotropic India Limited, Tirupati Medicare Limited is also our customer, Lotus Herbal Private Limited, Ichiban Crop Sciences, Nova CapTab, UK Paints, Verka Dairy, Bhole Baba, Supreme Agro, Glue Hand India, Unish Forge, Hira Industries, ARGL, Madhav KRG. These are the customers are not related to pharma, but they're from across all industries. Corporate Serve has been awarded with SAP ACE Award 2022 for the best manufacturing transformation. And that is for our customer Glue and India Private Limited. So here are some pictures from that event. Here are some customer videos from our selected customer, which are published on SAP site and social media. So I'm going to run one video that is related to Sinochem Pharmaceutical.
We, Sinochem Pharmaceuticals Limited, we're a 38-year-old organization started by my father. And so we started with a few people and we've reached to 550 crores last year and having almost 2,000 employees with us now. Earlier, we had been using a lot of different softwares, but we weren't very satisfied with the kind of output and the integration that we were getting. So SAP being one of the leading softwares present worldwide, so we chose SAP S4HANA, and we are pretty much satisfied with the whole working which has been done through and what we have achieved through. It's been almost 3 years that we have been using SAP now, and we're very happy with the kind of results that we are getting.
The Sinochem Pharmaceutical Company is a limited company. He is working from last 38 years. Two plants in working in Haridwar site. The deployment has empowered us on multiple fronts. It has helped us effectively manage all our business activities such as sales, marketing, finance, manufacturing, and output.
We deployed PharmaSoft 2.0 powered by SAP S4HANA. This advanced solution is especially designed to meet our end-to-end production needs. It gives us an instant access to real-time information.
SAP's unique and interactive features like visible implementation and analytical data are highly valuable for us. Overall, SAP offered the most value-driven capabilities that the other ERP systems were unable to provide. And yes, corporates saw their history as a SAP qualified partner and excellent performance in implementing SAP nationwide was a big factor in choosing them.
Corporates serve as extensive digital transformation knowledge in the pharmaceutical domain with an excellent implementation system. Their team is very professional and supportive who guided us through the entire transition journey.
Thanks to Corporate Serve, who have really helped us out, and the kind of effort that they have put in during the implementation and the hand holding that they've done, the support they've provided, it's been really brilliant. And we're very happy with the kind of support we have been, continuously getting from them.
So, once again, on behalf of Corporate Serve, we would like to thank all the attendees, each and everyone who had joined us today for this webinar. It indeed was a very, very enriching and I'm sure enlightening session for all of us present out here. This is your host, MC Dharna, signing off for the day. Once again, a big thank you from our side. Thank you for joining in today.
This is our team in blue and red t-shirts. This is a few of the pics related to our office, which is in Gurgaon. So thank you everyone for your time to see this presentation on PharmaSoft 2.0. Thank you.